Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions on the new Beige Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil re-edition. I have the bronzer, liquid linens. I have been using the liquid linens for a week, so I'm only going to do my first impressions on the palette and the bronzer. But first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also click the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. Here is the beautiful palette. I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, but I have been looking for like all shimmery eyeshadow palette. I don't have the matte version of this one, but I'm going to use the festival palette. I reviewed this one on my channel. I'll link it down in my description box below. I really love this palette, and also I think I'm going to use some other palettes. So this one retails for $18. When I purchased this one, they offered free shipping, so I'm not really sure if they still offer free shipping with this one. You could also buy the bundle of this one and the matte version of this one, I think, for $35, so not bad at all. So the pants are really small, smaller than the pants from the festival palette, so you could see. So this one has 35 shimmery shadows, while this one has 20, so it makes sense. The packaging feels kind of gritty because of the glitters all over the packaging, even inside. So yeah, it feels kind of gritty a little bit. I am going to swatch some of the eyeshadows. I'm not going to swatch all 35 eyeshadows because we're gonna be here until tomorrow. So I'm going to swatch some of the some of them are kind of sheer. Oh, okay. So, oh wow, they kind of sheer, a little bit sheer. Okay. So the swatches don't look really good. They look very sheer. So I don't know. So let's see how they perform on the eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base, and I'll be right back. I just primed my eyes and I set my primer. So I'm going to take the shade Palosa from Beige Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm going to do like a blue green eye look today. So I'm taking the Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to use the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Edition palette. This is an indie brand, so I'm going to use this dark emerald green shade. The colors in here kind of remind me of the Armand Gorgeous palette from Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So I don't have that one. I returned all the palettes because I was really disappointed. So I'm going to use the shade Grunge with the Morphe G24 brush. So now I'm going to cover up my lid with the Elegant Pro Concealer, and this, I think this is in the shade Porcelain, with the Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to take this shade, this one. This is almost like a blue-green shade with the Juvia's Place eyeshadow brush. Okay, so a lot of product right there. Not bad at all. So I'm going to spray this one just to intensify that shadow. Alright, so this color is really pretty, but it's not glittery in my opinion. It's more of a metallic finish. So now I'm going to take this green shade, almost like a little bit of green undertone to it. So I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to plate it to the other side. Now moving on, taking this one, this lime green shade with the crown brush, eyeshadow brush. To darken up the edges, I'm going to use the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette again. So this is the transition palette, taking this shade again, the grunge, this dark green emerald shade with the Morphe G24 brush. So now I'm just going to fix my brows off camera because my brows take forever. Put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back with my face makeup. I am back. So I already put on lashes, fix my brows. Excuse my forehead right now looks really weird, and my neck looks red because I was using Japanese skincare products. I think my skin don't like them, so that's why it feels really weird, like purging skin. I don't know if that's what you call it. So it looks really weird, feels like chicken skin. So now moving on with the face products, I am going to apply the Touch Silk Primer with the Becca Cosmetics Aqua Luminous Foundation in the shade Beige. I'm going to use the Too Faced Concealer with the KKW Concealer in the shade number 6. Then I'm going to set it with the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loosing Powder in the shade Medium. For the lower lashes, I'm going to use this one with the Wet n Wild pencil brush. Now moving on with my third look area, I'm going to apply this one, this light pink shade. Moving on with my cheeks, I'm going to use the Beige Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer. So this is the Satin Finish Bronzer in the shade Golden Gal. So this is the lightest shade, and really like the packaging, looks really nice. And I'm going to swatch this one. So that is the bronzer. Ooh, that's really nice. You see the glitters all over the pan. I don't really notice that in camera. So now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild brush from their Fire and Ice collection. I only purchased two brushes and one bronzer because the rest wasn't really interested. So now I'm going to use this one, the Wet n Wild. Ooh, picked up a lot of product. See that? So I'm going to use my favorite highlighter right now. So this is the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Fire from their Soja collection with the Wet n Wild brush from their Ice and Fire collection. Because they came out with so many new products, it's really hard to keep up with all these new releases. So I'm going to apply this on the cheeks. So now the last products are the lip liquid linens. I don't know how many shades they came out with the lip linens, so I only have 2 shades in here. I've been using the liquid linens. They are very opaque, they're very easy to apply, but they're a little drying. So that's the only thing that I don't like about these liquid linens. So I'm going to use this one. This is in the shade Monica. Yeah, Monica. So the lip products are like liquid lipsticks in my opinion. So this is in the shade Jacqueline. So this is here. Ooh, that is so pretty, and it's so opaque. I'm not going to go outside and show you my makeup in natural lighting because my skin right now is not looking great. I don't feel comfortable at all. So I'm just going to tell you my initial thoughts on the products. As always, I'm going to update you on the products I reviewed here on my channel. I personally like the palette. I am very impressed so far. They were a little bit sheer, so I had to use a damp brush, but they were very easy to apply and they were very buildable. So these two white shimmer shades, they were very chalky and they had so much fallout, but they gave my eye look like little glittery effect. I'm into like very shimmery glittery eyeshadows. This one I'm wearing on my third eye area was also very sheer, so I had to use a damp brush. So far I actually like the palette. I'm very impressed with this one. The next one is the bronzer. It was the same color as my skin tone. Kind of reminded me a little bit of the Wet n Wild bronzer from their Fire and Ice collection. So I really like this one. It was very easy to apply. It was very pigmented. So I don't know if you noticed the glitters all over the pan, but I actually like this one. So this is a satin finish bronzer, so I really like it. Next are the lip products. I have been using these for a week. They are a little bit drying in my opinion. I would rather get their liquid lipsticks. So I like the shades in here, but they are a little bit drying in my opinion. Not my favorite lip products from them. I personally like their liquid lipsticks. So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.